Okay, this is where the old kitchen used to be. You could probably see a little bit of a outline where the kitchen counters and everything are. So what Jim did today was he took all the outlets that were up here on the wall, which were over the counter in the old kitchen, and he moved them down to in this area right here. And this light switch, which turns these lights on right here, was originally over here. But if you see that black mark right there, from here to here is where we're going to be putting the new sliding glass door. So we had to move the light switch that was going to be in the middle of the door here over here. And he finally got it so these lights still turn on. Unfortunately, we're going to have to do something and take these lights down. They just are not going to work in the middle of a living space, and probably put canned lights in. They're gorgeous, gorgeous lights, and I just wish we could keep them, but I swear I cannot figure out where we would be able to put them otherwise. But that's what Jim did this weekend as part of tearing out the old kitchen.